All right, guys, so we're back here, and I'm finally gonna try this smoked cream cheese craze. Been looking at it, and I've been looking at it for a while, and I was like, I don't know about the smoked cream cheese, but it looks pretty damn good. After many videos of watching how to make it, I finally decided, all right, now it's time for me to try it, because I'm ready. So what we're gonna be using today is gonna be this Spellbound from Lane's Barbecue. I think this is one of their top rubs, and I already tried it once, and I really love this, so I know this will be perfect for this. So the majority of the videos that I've been looking at, they say adding a little glaze to it or some sort of sauce to it makes it that much better. So of course, I'm gonna add some. Favorite barbecue glaze is the Lane's pineapple and a little bit chipotle on it, and I know this is gonna make this. Oh man, I'm just my mouth's getting water just thinking about this and that. Oh, so that being said, let's get this started. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some cuts going one way and going the other way, because that's how I've seen it, and it looks pretty damn good when they do it. So here we go. Just not too deep, just cut them across. And I think we only do it on the top. And so then we turn it around and do the same. Now that we have our cut, we're going to be adding some of this nice Spellbound from Lane's Barbecue. Now you guys can check these rubs or the sauces on my link. There's a description there for you guys to check it. Now let's go ahead and add it all over the cream cheese. There we have it. So the way we're going to smoke this is we're going to put the Traeger at 275 degrees. Videos that I've seen at 275, there's been many few people that have different time scenarios. So this is my first time, so I need to know exactly. So the way we're going to do it is I'm going to put it in there for 1 hour at 275. Then I'm going to go look at it. If it looks like it's ready, then I'll pull it out. If not, I'm going to leave it there a little bit longer. So that being said, let's go ahead and fire up our Traeger. So our Traeger is at 275 now. So we're gonna go ahead and add this, put it in there. We'll be back in exactly 1 hour. So the 1 hour mark is here. It's been there for exactly 1 hour, and it looks like it's ready. See how it feels nice and like jelly-like. Ready to roll. All right, guys, so there we have it. We had it at 275 degrees was the temperature we had our Traeger. We left it there for exactly 1 hour, and here it is. Now we're gonna add a little bit of our barbecue glaze here. We're gonna have some pineapple chipotle, and guys, you know that I've been in love with this pineapple chipotle sauce, and you guys can try it too. Link in the description if you guys wanna try this, and you guys not be disappointed with this one, or they're Spellbound and many other rubs. A little bit of this to it. So I'm gonna add some of this to half of it so we can try with and without. And so you can eat it with some Ritz crackers, you can eat it with even bagel. You can also have some kind of chips that will work. I'm gonna have Ritz crackers. Now, I ain't gonna lie, I'm pretty excited to try this because I've seen it for a while and I finally did it. Here we go. Well, goddamn. Well, I'll be. Wow. Wow. Have some without the glaze. Wow. This is good. I prefer it with the glaze. It gives it that little extra sweetness to it. Wow, did not expect something like this. Wow. You know what this would be good with? Like one of those toasted breads. Not like bread, but like those real thin. They serve in restaurants. You put this on that. Oh man, that'd be so good. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys want to check these guys out, there's a link in the description. Make sure you guys hit that hit that subscribe button for more great content coming. You guys do not want to miss any of this. Check out these videos, and I'll see you guys next time.